Welcome back to our channel One Step, where we post tutorial video. Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can turn off your digital creator on a Facebook page. So if you have a Facebook page where it says digital creator, you can follow the step in order to change it. And before I show you the steps, hit the subscribe to our channel One Step. Let's move on. First thing, you want to click on the menu icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you click on the menu icon, you want to go on pages. Now once you click on pages, it's going to show you all the pages you have, alright? So you have to choose which page you want to disable. So I want to turn off the digital creator on my Facebook page Food Restro. So I will click on Food Restro and it's asking me to switch. Now we have to switch in order to turn off the digital creator on our page. So I will click on switch and it's switching me to my page account. So let's wait for some time until the switch is complete. Now once you have switched on your Facebook page, you want to click on your menu icon at the bottom right of your screen on Facebook, also known as these 4 dots, alright? So at the bottom right, click on it. It's going to bring you to your Facebook menu. Over here, just click on where it says Food Restro. So in my case, that's my name of my Facebook page. In your case, you need to click on the Facebook page name which you have. Once you do that, it's going to bring you over here. Once you're in the profile of your Facebook page, at the top right, you can see the pen icon. Click on it. Once you're inside this, basically you're in the editing page of your page, alright? Once you're over here, scroll all the way down. So as you guys can see under detail, it says digital creator. Now what I need to do is click on edit right beside details, and over here where it says page creator, I need to click on the pen icon right beside it. So I cannot turn it off, but what I can do is I can choose something else. So I will just choose designer and I will click on save. Once I do that, as you guys can see, the page has changed from digital creator to designer. Now once I click on save again, it will be saved permanently like this. That's how you guys can turn off digital creator on Facebook. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel One Step. I'll see you guys next time.